Who wouldn't love fried rice? Today we're gonna learn tomato fried rice. Easy and straightforward. Let's get started.
Let's prepare the tomato first. We want to deseed the tomatoes because that part is quite watery, which can make the fried rice soggy very easily. Simply cut the tomatoes into quarters. Then remove the seeds. Then dice the tomatoes. You can add any kinds of meat and vegetables. Just make sure they don't have any excess water which can make the fried rice soggy. Simply use a kitchen towel to absorb all the excess water. Then we can do the stir fry. Heat up the wok. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. The best is to use peanut oil. Then add the vegetables and the tomatoes. Quickly stir fry for 1 minute. Do not cook too long, otherwise the tomatoes will become mushy. If the vegetables take a longer time to cook, then cook the vegetable first and then add the tomatoes later. I still got some Peking duck left over, so I'm gonna add it to the fried rice as well. Remember to cut the meat into small pieces, which is good size for stir fry. Combine well and set aside. If you use raw meat instead, cook it separately. I want to add some egg as well. It is optional. So heat up the wok, add the cooking oil. Use a spatula to spread the oil to make sure the cooking surface is coated with the oil. Heat up the oil to smoking hot. We need hot oil to cook the egg so that they won't stick on the wok. Then add the eggs. Quickly stir fry the eggs and then chop them into small pieces using a spatula. Like what I'm doing now. Then set aside. Then now we can stir fry the rice. Heat up the wok. Heat up the cooking oil to smoking hot. Then add the rice. Here I'm using freshly cooked rice, which is more aromatic than leftover rice. I also love using Thai jasmine rice, which you can find it in Asian grocery store. Keep stir-frying the rice until they've got loosened. It takes a few minutes. Once it has got loosened, then we can add all the ingredients. Combine well, just stir-fry for about 30 seconds because they are all cooked. Then add a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. A pinch of salt or soy sauce if you like, and a pinch of sugar. Then combine well. Oh, almost forgot. Add a pinch of white pepper powder as well. Then this is ready. Because we add quite a bit of tomato sauce, the texture is a bit more moist than normal fried rice, but it tastes really delicious.
Okay, time to try. A little bit moist and very nice tomato flavors. Definitely you have to try it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.